Okay, so this video is going to talk about teams. So I want to make sure that you are able to figure that out as we get into it. So what I've done is I have made an announcement that has all of the information. So if we go back to those for today, it would be you would click on the link, and then these would be the two links that you would click. You could join in by dialing that, and that's the conference ID, or you can just click on this. Now it's going to pop up, and as you can see, I have this nifty background, which is not really all that pretty. Well, it is pretty, but now the reason this pops up is because I have the app downloaded on my computer. If you look, this is where it says go to the Teams app, download the Windows app, or continue on this browser. I do know that if you continue on the browser, maybe your volume or your audio is not going to necessarily work, or possibly problems with the pictures. I personally like the Teams app, so that is what I always will use. So again, here, once you're here, then this is your picture. If you don't want your picture on for the moment, you click that. I do want to see your faces, so please try to at least participate a little bit so that I see what what your face looks like. But if not, that's okay. This is your mute if you're audio, or to join. Then you would join. And so this is what it would look like. Again, I have this, I don't even remember how I did this. I did this the other day with Miss Weidel. So you will have a conversation, a place where you can type. So this would be earlier with the class that I had. If you want to raise your hand, you can do that and it would show me. I can see the participants, so it's important to realize. Again, I don't remember how I did the background. I was playing around. I can't remember. So you would be able to listen. When you're done, we would hang up. And then I also will post the video to, let's see if I can find it. If I go back, I will go right here. You can see here's the recording of what I shared today, so you could click that if you were not here, and you would be able to. Yes, my 5-year-old is screaming. Fun times. So this would be where you could see the video of what was going on during that lesson, and like for example for today this will also be. So alright, so that would be the video. I'm going to exit out of that. Again, what we could look at. So if you have any questions about Teams for our virtual open house, you will click these and the links will be here. I believe there's a 5 o'clock link I've got to add. So if you have any questions or problems with Teams, please reach out so that we can try to help you.